Hey, so one of the most common questions we get about our various financial projection templates is how can you change the dates in the projection file? And I'm going to walk you through how to make that change. It's really simple, but there's a couple of nuances that I just wanted to point out to you and common questions that we get. So I'm going to dive into one of our templates here. This is our gym template, and if I come to the input assumptions tab, which all of our templates will have an input assumptions tab, and right up here in the top left corner, you're going to see a projection start month date option. And so we can put in a particular date here. Now I want to just show you, if I say, okay, January 1st, 2025 as an example for the projection start month, then when we take a look at our income statement, for example, we're going to see that the first year, let me zoom in a little bit, the first year of projections is the first 12 full months of that year starting on the date that we pick. So January 1st, 2025 through, and it says for the year ended December 31st, 2025. And then you'll also see, if you look in like the income statement at a monthly level, you will also see starting in January, first 12 months, right? Now, something that can throw people off just a little bit. Let's say you wanted to start the projections in the month of June, let's say. So in that case, we'd put June 1st, 2025 as a start date. And when we look at the income statement now, what you're going to see here is 2026. And this could throw people off a little bit, because what this is it's going to show you the first 12 full months. That's year one of the projections, is the first full 12 months, which is for the year ended May 31st, 2026. So it's going to be that projection start month, the June 1st, 2025, for the next 12 months. That's how all of the models typically are set up in that way. And so again, if you look at your income statement here, month one is not the beginning of the calendar year, it's the beginning, it's that first month, that date of the first month that you put in on the input assumptions tab. So sometimes there could be unique cases where you want some sort of customization or some sort of different setup with the dates and how that's structured. And if that's the case, feel free to reach out to us at support@ProjectionHub.com, and we'd be happy to try to either walk you through that or help customize the model for you in some way. All right, hope that's helpful. Thanks.